How to sell XRP on Binance. Hey guys, in this tutorial, we're going to look at a step-by-step process on how you can sell your XRP on Binance. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your Binance account and make sure that your account is verified. Tap on the wallet icon at the bottom right corner. From here, you want to go to Spot or the Funding tab where you have all of your assets and find XRP. Once you tap on it, all you have to do is take note of how much XRP you have on your account. And you're going to have to go back to your home screen and then tap on convert. Once you tap on the convert option here, select instead of USDT, select XRP, and instead of BTC, select USDT. So you want to convert XRP to USDT to be able to sell this. Now click on max and then confirm the conversion. Now once the conversion is successful, you're going to have to head over to your wallet's option again and then tap on transfer. And from your funding transfer, you can select the amount that you want to transfer. So you could just select the amount here. Now, if you want to do a P2P transaction, you can just go ahead and select that and then click on the sell option here. Now, once you click on sell USDT, here you could just select your payment method first by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right and confirm your payment method. You have to note that this is regional, so there might be a different payment method based on your region, so make sure that you confirm it. Once you've done that, go to the Sell tab up top, and then you can enter the amount that you want to sell, and then click on Sell with zero fee. Once you have done that, you should be able to sell your XRP on Binance by converting it to USDT. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.